So you're on a way to a really cool hike near Jasper, and me and Michael were cruising, having a great time with the 335 out. Got little Georgie here with us. And well, we think Michael's car blew up. You think it blew up? Blew up, or
something's not good?
Something's not good. The motor's rattling really bad, and he has a crank position sensor circuit code. So I mean, we're praying that it's the sensor or something, but it doesn't sound like it. So all right, let's see what happens. It's fucked. Okay, might as well start it. It's fucked anyways. So, another update here. Mr. Michael got a junkyard motor.
Yes, I did.
It's definitely questionable. We'll pan over to that in a bit.
Looks like it's been outside for a while.
Yeah, but basically we didn't videotape all the fun stuff. We ended up pulling out both CV shafts, the drive shaft, unbolting the J-pipe.
Exhaust.
Yeah, some wiring. And to pull the axles was fun because all the suspension had to come apart.
It wasn't that bad.
It wasn't that bad. Wiring's really not that bad either. So now we're going to start pulling off the coolant hoses, some motor mounts,
AC,
a little more wiring, some vacuum lines, mark some stuff. The engine is out! That was actually not bad, really, honestly.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! You gotta come up some. You're gonna catch your bumper.
Looks pretty cool. We ended up having to take the oil filter housing off for some clearance.
Is that up or down?
That's up. We got Mr. Liam here too. So now we're just going to start removing the engine harness because we're going to have to put this one on the used wrecker motor because, well, yeah, you get the point. So we ended up getting the new clutch in. We've got the engine harness stripped off the good junkyard engine. We've got the new clutch in with the new pressure plate. The trannies bolted on. Tomorrow we're going to start off by replacing this timing belt.
It's horrible.
It's terrible. Yeah, timing belt, all the components, water pump. We're going to change out the oil filter housing because it wasn't covered up and, well, yeah, not very good. And then from there, we'll install this motor and hopefully we get this thing running tomorrow. So Rise and Shine, we're back at it again here. We got Mr. Grandpa swapping over some brackets. We're just prepping the motor for install. We're gonna lay all the wiring on, making sure we're not missing anything. Got Mr. Michael over here taking his brand new timing belt kit off of his pooched engine. Hey, the motor's going in. So we do a quick time lapse of us dropping this sucker in. Woohoo! So we ended up moving the car outside, get it finished. Pretty much got her all buttoned up here. We're just about to throw on the intake manifold, and we're praying that we're praying that it runs once we throw on this intake manifold here. And yeah, see what happens. All right, we're gonna try with a little boost here. rundown. Mike's car, we just changed the motor in it. It's running good. You guys didn't see the one part of the video, but basically the motor we put in had a bad camshaft, so he ended up having to also take one of the cylinder heads off of his old motor with the blown rod bearing and put it on this motor. I'll throw in some pictures here of the cam and what it looked like. It was the rear cam. I guess it's pretty common. But yeah, Mike's car is tuned on a Ktuner, Highflow cats, and a Catback exhaust. So we're gonna do a little launch.
See how well that goes.
Yeah.
Bogged it.
Those are the dips spinning up. Oh yeah. Woo. The engine's working.